IBM Data Analyst? Professional certificate review is one of the most searched topics for anyone looking to start a career in data analytics. In this video, I'll explain what you get, who it's for, and whether it's worth taking in 2026. If you decide it's the right choice, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. It's the most affordable way to access this certificate and thousands of other career programs. The IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate is designed for beginners. You don't need previous programming experience or a technical background. The program is built to help you become job-ready in about 4 months while learning at your own pace. The certificate includes 11 courses covering Excel, SQL, Python, data visualization, dashboards, IBM Cognos Analytics, Tableau, and generative AI for data analysis. You'll also complete hands-on labs and real-world projects that help you build a portfolio for employers. One of the biggest strengths of this program is its practical approach. You'll learn how to clean data, analyze trends, create dashboards, and present insights that businesses can use to make decisions. These are the exact skills employers expect from entry-level data analysts. Another major benefit is the IBM Credential. After completing the program, you can add the certificate to your LinkedIn profile and resume. It also gives you a solid foundation if you later decide to move into data science or AI. Now let's talk about value. Many learners pay for individual courses, but that can become expensive if you plan to complete multiple professional certificates. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the better investment. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off. It's only $239 for the year, or less than $20 per month. You get access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from top universities. If you're planning to learn data analytics, Excel, SQL, Python, business intelligence, or AI, Coursera Plus gives you much more value than buying courses one at a time. Overall, the IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate is an excellent choice for beginners who want practical, job-ready skills. The projects, portfolio, and industry-recognized credential make it one of the strongest data analytics certificates on Coursera. If you're ready to start learning while the 40% discount is available, check the link in the description to get the discounted Coursera Plus annual plan before the offer ends.